In this video, I'm going to teach you how to reset TP-Link TL-WR720N. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the process of performing a full reset for this particular model of router from TP-Link. Keep in mind that this process will also work for any other model, so it is going to be extremely similar across all models of routers from TP-Link. To do this, ensure that it is powered on. So if it is currently powered off, make sure that you plug it into a wall outlet and connect any of the necessary cables. Once it is receiving power from the wall and it is properly powered on, locate the reset button. So it is going to be at the back of the unit and usually at the left. But of course, if you have a different model or you notice that it is elsewhere, just find the button. It is going to have a label reset. All that you have to do now is press and hold the reset button. If needed, use a straightened paperclip, a pin, or a similar small pointed object to gently press this button for about 10 seconds. So press this button down while the router is powered on and connected to a wall outlet, and observe the LEDs. If you hold this button down for about 10 seconds, you will see the LEDs on the front of the router. You will see them blink or go out and then come back on. This indicates that the router is in the process of resetting, and after you hold down the button for about 10 seconds and observing the LED changes, you can release the reset button. Now wait for reboot, and after this is done, you will have to connect the router and set it up. This will be primarily done by going to the TP-Link login page or by accessing the default IP address of the router. There's either going to be a label on the router itself or you can check the manual. By default, it should be 192.168.0.1. And after you log in, you can configure a password to start using it. I hope I was able to help you on how to reset TP-Link TL-WR720N. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.